seem to want my employer's
Hello,
attention,
everybody.
Mr. Fry.
Welcome
Oh, I positively
to
crave it.
Creed
But
Syndicate.
you'll do for now.
I'm back.
As you like.
Got a lovely little gang fight here, huh? Where did the man go?
I'll take care of this.
There's a doornail.
Good riddance. I'll get to the bottom of this.
And I'll be bleeding out.
Alrighty. Getting more time.
Ah, there you are. All that stands between you and Whitechapel is the villain controlling the borough. Kaylock has demanded you settle the claim for territory in a gang fight.
His loss?
Yeah. I'm sure he can put this to better use than I can.
Oh, what's this, Greenie? Assassin Christmas?
Gather your allies.
Nice, we got a company. This will do us for now.
Mr. Rexford Kaylock has agreed to your terms and waits for you at the Whitechapel train station. He's bet his train on the fight.
Ooh. So if I win, I get a train? Or rather, when I win?
No Kaylock. No matter.
Attack!
You still only have the thing. Oh.
There you are.
You coward.
There he is! Ready to fire! Give it up, you filthy cur! Put some steel in his back! This is your last round! Enjoy!
Out of here. Why do I not have my poopy equipped? Okay, so there is quite a few stuff. Oh, brutal.
Mind you don't break your neck! Ha ha! Knock it!
Kind of unfair, but you know, whatever. Woo.
Don't pull any punches!
Well, that just happened. I guess I have a trade now.
It appears to be broken.
Oh well, at least we have a train now. It's not all bad.
Nice. So we have a trade now. I have a train. He lost his train. Actually, he's probably dead.
Kaylock is dead.
He's dead.
Whitechapel is no longer in the hands of the Blighters.
You now have the chance to join our ranks. We welcome all who would stand up to Starrick and his cutthroats.
Welcome to the Rooks.
Nice.
Ah, you bastard. I'd rather throw myself to the tracks than run Bertha another mile for that doty ball bag.
Kaylock? He's left the station.
Hell. Hello, fancy pants. And who might you two be?
I'm Evie Fry, and this is my brother, Jacob Fry.
Pleased to meet you. I'm Agnes McBean.
A delight.
I thought I was getting a promotion. I suppose I'm out of work now.
Come work for us instead.
I won't bile your heat. You pay better than scraps?
I'm sure we can at least match that.
Then may I present to you Agnes and Bertha, lady and locomotive, at your service. I'll be in the next car.
A hideout on the rails. What an excellent idea.
Yes, it all worked out rather well. Now, I would like to follow up a lead on... Jacob? Is this serious?
I'm not doing anything until this gets fixed.
I believe I know someone who can help with that.
I knew you would, Greenie.
He's invisible, my mans.
You know, a mite of money goes a mickle bit in this city. Think of the power of good you can do with the purse you bring. You talk of a store in London. Well, now's your chance. That there map shows who to speak to. Old friends, if you will. Give him a whiff of that sterling, and maybe you can save us all from having to lay down our knife and fork afore we're ready.
I think she just wants food. She said knife and fork. I mean, food is fair, to be honest. But she also said scraps. Thank you. That's gonna be useful. Especially for me. Okay. I have a feeling that's going to be a really good thing to get. Mm. Ooh, upgrade our rooks, absolutely. What's this? Ooh. Okay. Gonna have to invest in that.
Now, enough shop talk. Believe Mr. Green said there was someone he wanted you to meet.
Interesting. Well, there's quite a bit to do here. I will. You guys. At one of our next missions. Alright, everybody, we're back here. Whoever the hell this is. Whoever the hell this is. Shift there.
No, it wasn't me, not guilty. Beg your pardon. You're the one.
I assure you we've never met.
Is this a prize fighting ring?
You bet your eyes and ears it is, my lord. Milady. The name's Robert Topping. Best bookie in all of London at your disposal. Well, second best, but my mum says Don's a bit of a nincompoop. Anyhow, I can show you a vast array of exciting things. From prize fights to carriage races.
I think we can afford to spend a little time here.
Am I allowed to fight in says prize fights?
You look like you could use an adventure. Sign up with me for a little fun.
Sure, why not?
Good to have you. Good to have you. I was beginning to worry I'd have to take on these brutes myself.
I'm down. Here we go.
You are a champion. Yes, indeed. Your affairs are in order. Watch it.
There we go. Nice simple fight.
He's all even in one piece.
There we go. You kidding me? Bring on the next one.
I thought you were hard.
There we go. Ooh, we got a big brute in here this time. No. There we go, that's easy.
We'll be sorry they cost you.
Damn, Mr. Fry. Ooh, gotta be very careful with these. Whoa. Shit. Careful. Here we go. Oh, come on. We pressed evade. We pressed our counter button, you son of a bitch. That was bullshit. I pressed counter. I don't know why he didn't counter. Try it again.
We won't tell the coppers. I knew you'd come. Good luck in there. Not that you'll need it.
Let's try this again. Go.
Perfect round.
I'm gonna finish this fight, but
We'll enter the ring
go. Go.
Give my regards to the devil.
That was really annoying.
We'll be sorry they crossed you.
That guy was a little bit annoying at the end. Right after that. Go. 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 Bap. Fuck you. Shit guy off and then shoot the shit out of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, you
Who's
may
next?
place your bets on this fine contestant.
Alright. Let's do it. Have more health than we did last time. Go.
Just try to stop me. Finish him off, and we'll go for a drink.
Go. There we go. That's how you do it.
Ladies and
Took a couple attempts, but we got it.
you.
Took me a couple attempts, but I got it.
Step right up. Only the best of the best.
Cool. I'll see you guys at our next location.
This is... My God, this is Michel Rouge's vault.
Michael Rourke's vault? It can't be.
You have no idea who that is, do you?
I'm the foggiest.
He was an assassin. Father had one of his books. Legend says he found some fabulous treasure near Bath that drove him mad. He locked it away beneath London, in a vault that could only be opened by a set of special musical boxes.
Special musical boxes? Now who's mad?
Weird. Oh God. Oh no. Lovely. Fucking wonderful. That's gonna be a pain in the ass to do throughout this game. Lovely. Be right back. I'm not sure what the point of this whole area was, I'm gonna be honest. This is the city of London. I should hit these. There was a fight here that I did. Whoopsie. Well, not train. I'm gonna hit that hard point, that viewpoint first. Don't come at me. I said hard point. I've been playing Call of Duty lately. Play a lot of games. I did a full campaign playthrough from Modern Warfare 2. I would do raids, but I don't have anybody to do those with. So, you know. I was pressing up and the man just wanted to keep jumping sideways. Which I don't mind, it's fucking hilarious. This game. No. This is Jacob. He's not meant to be the serious assassin one. That's his sister's job. Man's really said, fuck you guys. I'm gonna buy the notoriety upgrade for sure. It'll make it so those dudes are afraid of us. But first... gotta get across it. Ooh. A level 6 area. Oh no. Oh, hang on. It doesn't think I'm attempting to assassinate the man, does it? Well, not at this moment, anyways. Go. If I can do this Templar hunt in the stealthiest way possible, I will. And I say the stealthiest way possible because I don't want to get caught in a level 6 area.
Lovely day, is it not, my beauties? Lovely, lovely day.
I don't care about dropping his body into a grave. I took a couple shots at him, I'm out. I didn't care, I just wanted to go take a shot at the guy and leave. Okay. Cool, I guess. Sheepus, jeepus. I need to level up. Ooh. This. Oh. That's actually really nice. Got it. I haven't attacked his Puts chunk damage into him. Yes, that notoriety. 100%. That is gonna be worth it. That's also gonna be worth it. I need.
A Gurkha knife, just like Father's.
Hmm. Do we work our way through Lambeth or do we just go for it? Train's gonna go that way. Oh, nice. How nice of them to have the station all nice and ready for me. Jesus Christ. Big place. Big old lot of empty. Guess we should get headed down to freedom of the press over there. Did we hit this Templar hunt on the way? Maybe. We'll see. It depends on mostly I'm gonna say it depends on whether or not we can see him before he sees us. That's gonna be a restricted area for sure.
Behind schedule now.
Oh Jesus! They weren't joking. I missed that. If I didn't miss that first shot, we're gonna try that again. So if I can hit that shot, we're golden. Let's try it again, because if we can hit that headshot, we're golden. Didn't expect him to bend down, that's what made us miss. Also, I apologize, last episode, we lost audio for a bit there at the end. I turned my mic off somehow. Not sure when that happened, but it did. Come on. God, these loading screens are always taking forever. Where to spawn me? Way up here? How rude of you. Rude. Yeah. It's a little irritating. I'll see you guys when we're down at that mission. Alrighty, we appear to be here.
Oh, blast them.
Alec, whatever is the matter?
I have been intercepting nothing but poppycock propaganda about soothing syrup and whatnot. No, I swear to high heavens, if Starrick's monopoly continues...
Alec, I beg your pardon. These are friends of mine. Evie Fry and her brother, Jacob.
Oh, Alexander Graham Bell.
Linguist, inventor, and technical expert. Alec, I have something of a favor to ask you.
Can you fix this? Oh, looks like the casing is cracked. Oh, comes apart. I see. Could have used one of these to fit my fuses on top of Big Ben.
Alec is installing a new telegraph line for our Free Press Association.
To combat the Starrick Telegraph Company. Now, if I can mend the fuses connecting independent lines from Big Ben, Starrick will be weakened. Only we are somewhat at a handicap. And there. Oh, I've removed the mechanism so it may work with your bracer.
I'll put it to use immediately.
Jacob, wait. Mr. Bell, allow me to help you with your fuses.
Oh, you will not find me too proud to accept Miss Fry. Oh, we can use my carriage if you'd be so good as to hold the reins, though.
I'll take that.
I can help you.
You get it.
Oh, Miss Fry, I am so glad you could assist me.
Actually, yeah. He has separate skills. He's also mentioned. Okay. Give her definitely the health boost. Thanks for level 2. More stealth, because that's EV style. So, Jacob, we're going to try to keep his to be more well-rounded. What if we did if it's still down to here? No, the shields just track separately. Okay. You hear that? A health boost.
You really ought to be here by now.
Fuck off.
So, Mr. Bell, what inventions are you concocting?
I intend to develop a phonetic telegraph that does not just convey dots and dashes, Miss Fry, but a human voice.
Phonetic telegraph? Sounds a bit of a mouthful. You could just call it a telephone.
Telephone? How bizarre. Anyway, as I was saying earlier, the press has become entirely dependent on the Stark Telegraph Company.
Which is why Mr. Green has asked you to set up a free line.
Yes. What is more, other small independent companies have their lines sabotaged, and they have little means of finding any broken fuses, which are...
Slow down. To be found on top of Big Ben.
correct, especially as one needs a special government pass to get through the guards.
They will not be a problem. I'll repair the fuses.
Nice. Ooh. Fun. Okay, what the fuck? That's so goddamn easy. I'm going all the way up to get that synchronization. You guys can fight me. Is that Helix glitch as well? No, that was the synchronized point. Okay, I'm stupid. Tower. Do. Alright, we don't want to leap of faith. We just want to climb down. Sit down, Evie. I have found the fuse.
Lovely view.
You can fucking Batman this shit? Okay, I have a feeling as Evie we're gonna like that very much so.
All set.
Look at this! You have any idea how useful this would have been in other Assassin's Creed games? Are you kidding me? This is awesome! Fuck you and your leap of faith, dog. What do that when I can go ziplining across fucking... Ugh. This is amazing. Ziplining across London like nothing. Now let me guess, get back.
That should do it.
How is this not a sync point? Not what we wanted to grab onto. Look at that. No.
I see you! Oh.
No, I don't think anybody saw us. I think we, I'm gonna say we did that without witnesses. Okay. Okay. This is actually very fun. As you guys can tell, I'm having fun with Miss Fry's new toy.
Thank you very much, Miss Fry. I will now be able to continue with the installation of the new line.
If there's anything else I can do to help.
Certainly. Please do come and visit. Oh, I was toying with this device and have noted down the formula for you. It's not perfect yet, but by golly, it works. Whoa! Maybe a little too well! Whoa!
That's it.
Okay, I don't know what we're going to next, but we're doing something, I guess. Fuck you guys.
Grubby hands on all the telegraph companies.
Easy now.
I wouldn't worry
Don't
about
struggle.
politicians. We know who really pulled the strings, don't we?
But knowledge is power.
That's not to say you both have bad names.
Yes, you! Doesn't bother anymore.
Tear you to shreds.
Whoa. Come on now, Miss Fry. There we go. There we go. No. I can't even say sorry because I fucking love this gun too much. It's funny. I've always liked you guys know me. I've always liked using guns in Assassin's Creed. That's just kind of a thing that I've always liked. There we go. Push it. God damn. There we go. Bappus Bappus, Bippity Bonkus. You take a lift. Damn, he took a while. Crafting, cool. I'm not a high enough level to craft yet, I think. Okay. Oh, that's gonna be great. Oh, yeah. Okay. I like that. The stealthy option. There we go. That's the thing. There we go.
Ah, Miss Fry. I was just showing Jacob the first message was received via the mended lines. Oh, you can keep the rope launcher, by the way. We've managed to procure another one for your brother.
Thank you.
Excellent
Thank
work.
God.
Thank you again.
You're very welcome, Mr. Bell.
We can now defend the
It would
principle
not
of
have been
impartial
fair.
news and free speech.
Free is fair, but free and brief is far better.
Ha ha! Ah, Fry, such caustic wit.
And on that note, we must depart.
Oh, good fortune to you both. Call on me anytime.
Nice. Alexander Graham Bell. Quite the character, everybody. Quite the character. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I certainly have. That's gonna be all. So hit that like button, hit that
Now that we've
subscribe
finished
button.
with that distraction,
Who is that? Oh, you mean you don't know?
Beautiful train you got here. Miss McBean was just telling me all about her. Name's Ned.
How do you do?
I won't take up more of your time. If you want to learn a thing or two about the finest transit systems in the world, you can find me at this address.
let us return to locating the Piece of Eden.
We need to reclaim London from Starrick. Who are my targets?
It's not time for that yet.
I didn't come to London to hunt curios.
First understand the dance, only then become the dancer.
Oh, so you're taking over where Father left off.
Someone has to.
Evie, finding the precursor artifact will give us an insight into what the Templars intend. Jacob, I have information about Starrick's associates that should be of use to you. Here.
You made a pinboard for us. Lovely. Regardless, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao, and have a good one.